Hey everyone, I have a picket fence here. It is made with pine wood. It's been here for about 9 or so months, and it's starting to wear down a little bit. You can kind of see, so I'm a little behind. I want to get a stain on it so that it maintains its health and lasts a little bit longer. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to do it the simple way. So what we're going to need, of course, is our stain. I'm going to be using this Ready Seal. This is a natural color here, so it won't be too strong. We're gonna have a deck sprayer here. This is different than your typical pump sprayer. It's made for seals and certain stains, so make sure if you're doing it you have one of these. It'll spray a little bit better. They actually come with a nozzle meant for it. This is the medium nozzle sprayer for it. The other thing I'm going to have is a stain brush here, and that's just in case I catch it running a little bit when I spray it on the fence. Best case scenario, I don't use this, but yeah, if it starts running, I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. So first things first, we're going to get our stir stick. We're going to stir this up really good, and then we will just fill this up and we'll get spraying. All right, so I have my stain in here and I have this thing pumped up. Got my nozzle on here. I actually switched it to the more fine nozzle, and we're gonna start spraying. All right, so get your first coat on like that. I don't want to, you don't want to go too crazy with it because you will be putting a second coat on. One thing I like to try to do though is the tops here don't really absorb the stain that easily, so I like to come back and hit that top as well. As I was saying, we have this. If you see any runny areas, which I don't really see any, you might see a little right here. You just kind of spread it back out. And you can even come, as I was talking about with these tops here, and just kind of hit the top. But if there's any areas that you didn't fully hit, you'll get it on the second time. So don't worry about getting it all the first time. We'll come back and we'll finish it off round two. All right, it's been a couple of hours. We're gonna do our second coat and we will be good to go. There we go. That's the opportunity to get any spots that you felt didn't get it before, and then just do a light coat over the whole thing, and now we just wait for it to dry and should be set. All right, so I got my second coat on. I got the whole thing complete. It's probably not completely dry at this point, but it's getting pretty close. And I think this is about how it's gonna look with that natural stain that I had. One thing I was gonna point out was that I ended up using about 4 gallons worth for about 100 feet of this picket fence. So definitely when you're using that pump sprayer, it uses a lot more than if you just brushed it yourself, but it's significantly faster. I was definitely willing to kind of eat the cost of a little bit more stain just to get it done much quicker. So hope this video helps y'all out. If y'all have any questions about it, please feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer as quickly as I can. But thank y'all for watching.